Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, it's common to work with temporary files when you need to store data temporarily during the execution of a program. However, there may be situations where you want to persist the contents of a temporary file to disk so that it can be used later or shared with others. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a temporary file, write data to it, and then persist it to disk using Python. We will use the tempfile module to create a temporary file and the shutil module to copy it to a permanent location on disk. Let's get started. First, we need to create a temporary file using the tempfile module. The tempfile module provides a convenient way to work with temporary files in a cross-platform manner. Here's how you can create a temporary file. In the code above. Now that we have our temporary file with some data, let's persist it to disk using the shutil module. We'll copy the contents of the temporary file to a permanent location on the file system. In this code. After running this code, you will have successfully persisted the contents of your temporary file to a permanent location on disk. In this tutorial, we've learned how to create a temporary file, write data to it, and then persist it to disk using Python. The tempfile module helps us create temporary files, and the shutil module is used to copy the temporary file to a permanent location. This can be useful when you need to save temporary data for later use or sharing. ChatGPT.